Today, I'll show you how to create a project in Zoho Books. Like and subscribe for more productivity tips. First, make sure the timesheet module is enabled. Go to the gear icon, greater than, preferences greater than general settings. Check timesheet and save. This allows you to track time accurately for billing and project management. Next, navigate to Time Tracking in Projects from the left sidebar. Click plus New Project to start. Enter a clear project name, optional description, and select the customer. You can also enable customer approval to ensure time entries are approved before invoicing. Set your billing method: fixed cost, project hours, task hours, or staff hours. Optionally set a budget for cost or hours to keep your project on track. Assign your team by clicking plus add user and define responsibilities with plus add task. Finally, click save. Your project is now live, ready for time tracking, budgeting, and billing, all in Zoho Books.